What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of E-Rebuilds. In today's episode, guys, we are almost through with this build, guys. Few more steps to go, few more things to add to the vehicle, guys, and it's almost ready to hit the road. In today's video, we're going to be concentrated on the rear. So we're going to actually be working on the trunk today, guys. We're going to go ahead and install our SRT spoiler, guys, along with the SRT wicker build for the back to give it that real aggressive look. So make sure you stay tuned for that process. And also, we had our exhaust tips come in the mail today, guys. So as you can see, it's still in the plastic, just to let you know it's real. So we're gonna go ahead and do some exhaust modification today, guys. And we will show you how we're gonna install our tips, guys. Shout out to Carvin. And then we also got our cold air intake that came along in the mail today as well, guys. So hopefully we get a chance to install everything that we received. We're gonna try to attack this spoiler. We're gonna try to attack the exhaust modifications. And hopefully we can make it to the front, guys, so we can go ahead and do the intake install. So make sure you locked in. Don't go nowhere. This is E-Rebuilds. Guys, so what we did here is we went ahead and we just pre-installed it with the two-sided tape, guys. So we are gonna drill some holes to hold it down from underneath, but just to set it in place right now and make sure it's firm, secure, and in place, we just used that two-sided tape, guys. So continue watching, continue staying tuned for the process.
What I actually did was just pre-drill two small holes right here on the trunk of itself, because what we're going to do, we're going to use some self-cutting screws so it can go right through the metal and into the spoiler. That would hold it in place, and then we'll just do the same thing over here. Self-cutting screws you can get from like Home Depot, and then you put some black. When you finish, so you see, you gotta make sure you get these size cutting screws. That way not too long. That won't go right through the top of the spoiler. So guys, as you see, there goes the wicker bill. That's it.
It's looking good.
Yeah, so next is the exhaust.
This thing is coming out amazing. All right, guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today. We actually did not get a chance to do everything that we planned to, but we made some progress. We got that SRT spoiler on the trunk, we got that wicker bill onto the spoiler, and we got those carbon exhaust tips on the back of the car, guys. So make sure, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Keep sharing the videos, keep sending these videos to everyone you know. If you have a charger and you like what we're doing, or you know someone with a charger and you like what we're doing, go ahead and send them the video, guys. We'd love to go ahead and hear from you guys what you think. So don't forget, E-Rebuilds, we're out.